Addressing a program marking the 200th anniversary celebrations of Sri Swaminarayan Mandir in Bhattal, Gujarat, PM Modi said that the whole world is attracted by the capability of the Indian youth. Union Minister for Communications Jyotiraditya Scindia said that the government is committed to the development of electronics manufacturing in the country. Justice Sanjeev Khanna today took oath as the 51st Chief Justice of India. In West Bengal, the trial in the rape and murder of a junior women doctor at Kolkata-based RG Kar Medical College and Hospital started at a special court from today. The 38th All India Postal Badminton Tournament 2024 began yesterday at the Chamundi Vihar Indoor Stadium in Mysore.